Get paid instantly for appointments with the Stripe integration. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to get paid when an appointment is made using the Stripe integration. So let me go ahead and show you right now. This is my main workspace. And what I'm going to do now is create a brand new form from scratch to show you how to integrate with Stripe so you can start receiving payments instantly for your appointments. Let's go ahead and start from scratch. Classic form. And I'm going to add basic elements for testing purposes. For example, I'm going to ask for the full name, phone number, email, and I'm going to add the appointment section. That appointment section is going to be added before the email. So let me go ahead and drag it up here. Here we go. And the most important part is we want to get paid for this. So let's go into the appointments tab here in the elements, and I am going to search for Stripe. Here it is. I'm going to add Stripe. I'm going to add it right after the appointment. Okay. So first, let's get started with the appointment section here. First you need to do is set up your appointment system so you have everything just the way you want it. The appointment slot duration, the intervals, the lunch times, the limits, the advanced options. And once you're good to go, we're going to integrate with Stripe. So first thing we need to do is connect to Stripe. Now in this case, I'm going to add a brand new connection. I'm going to select Stripe. Let's hit next. And I'm going to use the test mode for testing purposes. If you are ready to go, if your appointment form is ready to take on payments, use the live mode, okay? Once that's done, I'm going to name my connection, and I'm just gonna name this test, and I'm going to integrate with Stripe. Go ahead and log in, go through the process of authenticating Stripe. Once you're good to go, you'll be able to view your account right here. So in this case, I'm gonna use my Stripe connection that I've previously made. So I'm gonna select it, and here we go. The payment type, I'm going to select products. Here we go. I'm going to enable one-click checkout via link. That's a cool option to add right here. Send emails to customers. Yes, that's also a good option. Charge customer immediately. Yes, because once they make the appointment, we want to charge them, okay? Create Stripe customer record. Yes, that's also a good idea. Each unique customer or each submission. So I'm going to use each unique customer. Here we go. Do I need to ask for billing information for the customer? Not in this case, okay? So we are good to go. Let's go into the product list. And in this case, I'm going to name this meeting 60 minutes. Okay, here we go. The price for the meeting is going to be $100. I'm not going to set a description. I'm going to select from one of my images here just for testing purposes. And I'm going to add myself right here. So you select it. Here we go. Do I want to add a scale? Yes. Is this going to be required? Yes, that way they cannot skip without making the payment. If you don't make it required and they make the appointment and they don't make the payment, they can still continue. So yes, we do want to make this required. Let's go ahead and save this. Here we go. Let's go ahead and preview our form, and we should be ready to go to take on the Stripe payments via this form. Okay, so let's fill this out with demo data. Here we go. I'm going to select 23rd. I'm going to select at this time. Here we go. This is selected by default. We cannot skip this. Then I need to set my payment details so I can submit. So let me go ahead and submit the demo data from Stripe. Here we go. I'm good to go. Let's go ahead and submit. And here we go. The appointment has now been made and we received the payment. So that's how easy it is to receive payments instantly for appointments with the Stripe integration here in Jotform. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for Jotform, build your form, create your appointment system, and take on payments with Stripe instantly for that appointment made. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.